I want to tell you, it really does. Find the value of X. Gagamitin ko ba to in the future? X ko ngayon. But here's the thing. It's not always about the exact equation or date. It's about each one of you has a potential. Not just those with high honors, but every single 29 of you. I will assess myself to discover my true potential. It's about building foundation for your future. Trust me, that future, it's closer than you think. Thank you. Congratulations.